If you're looking for more information about Ocuprime, or want to keep your eyes healthy, make sure to watch this whole video so that you don't regret it later, because in this review I'm gonna walk you through a scheme that could make you lose some money and how to avoid that. I'm also going to tell everything you need to know, so that importantly you're able to make an informed decision whether or not Ocuprime is the right supplement for you. Also, some really important infos, warnings, and how to use the product. Well, there's a lot of smart people out there, they know Ocuprime is taking off, and super popular these days. So these smart guys have copied the Ocuprime website, so they reach out to people and say, hey, there's a huge discount or coupon or whatever it is, some incentive to make you go through their duplicated website. Order the product, and guys, you get nothing in return as they're not the official company. I'm actually to avoid this, given the official Ocuprime website, link down in the description below. This is the official Ocuprime website, where you can get your bottles from, that way you'll be 100% sure it's safe. So now that you know that, I'm going to tell you what Ocuprime is, and how it works. Well, the trend of using eye health boosters is not as common as diet pills or sleeping pills, which is why people do not even know about them. Just like all other supplements, the eye health boosting formulas are also effective, and using them at an early stage helps prevent permanent damage to the eyes. There are limited options among eye supplements, and Ocuprime is a new addition to them. This product is made with ingredients that are essentially required for eye structure and function. The company ensures using no artificial ingredients or toxins inside, making it a safe choice for long-term use. Ocuprime is a dietary supplement for the eyes that saves them from age-related damage and eyesight loss. It works on reducing the damage caused by any environmental factor or lifestyle and saves the user from disease progression. The ingredients are carefully selected, and there is enough research data available on them, showing their efficacy and safety. This product has no age restriction, but these products are helpful for adult users with weak eyesight and not for children. The sooner you start using it, the better the body can be saved from irreversible damage to the eyes. What I like to mention about this product is the fact that it actually works, because there's thousands of products and supplements out there that do nothing at all. They make claims, but they do nothing. On the other hand, Ocuprime does support vision health, and also comes with a money-back guarantee. Yes, it has a 60-day money-back guarantee, which makes everything 100% risk-free, so you can try it, and if it doesn't work, you don't like the results, just get your money back. It's important to know that if you fall into the hands of these people making these websites I talked about, you won't be getting a refund, so it's important that you buy it from the right source. The final pro I would like to mention is the fact that the company has also tested this formula through third-party laboratories, so that the users don't have to worry about undesirable effects. Now some warnings and information for those who are going to buy it. The first thing is, as I said before, is the fact that Ocuprime is not sold in physical stores, Amazon, or any other place, just on their official website, so make sure to check the description of this video if you intend to buy it. The second thing I'd like to mention is that Ocuprime works only if you take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results. Ocuprime is an easy-to-use product. The users are advised to take only 2 capsules per day, one in the morning and the other in the evening, for a complete round of protection. Remember, supplements are not treatment pills. They cannot improve a medical condition if you are diagnosed with one. The sole purpose of using a dietary supplement is to enhance the ability of the body to overcome this damage. If you have been struggling with your eyesight, or just want a better eye health, I would suggest giving Ocuprime a try. Actually, there is nothing to lose, as you can test it for 60 days risk-free. I really hope this video helped you. If you want to learn so much more about Ocuprime supplement, visit the official website. A full list of their natural ingredients is over there. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, and comment below if you have any question. That's it for this video, guys. Have a great day.